in this talk, we are going to find the output of the following code. Let me show you the whole code so that it would be easy for you to find the output. Okay, so in first line, you can see there is a public class name capital A. And here we have declaration byte C is equal to 20. And here one more time, we can see there is a short data type B is equal to 22. And here you can see static string A is equal to string. So first you need to just find out which one is executed first. When this class A loaded into the memory, which one is run first? All will execute it at the same time? No. This one executed first because it is a static variable. Static variable executed when class is loaded into the memory. At that time, this variable is initialized. Okay, so if I talk about what would be the range of byte, what would be the range of byte? So the range of byte would be minus 128 to 127, and this 27 is included in that. The size of a byte data type is fixed, occupying 8 bits or 1 byte of memory. Let me write it down. Occupying 8 bits in the memory, or you can say 1 byte. And if I come to know about short data types, so the short data type in Java is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. It has a minimum value of minus 32,767 to 32,767. That would be the range for the short data types. If we are again want to know about the static, okay, leave it static, just want to know about the string data type. Like we know the byte, short. Okay, in Java, a string is not a primitive data type like byte or short. Instead, it's a reference data type. A string represents a sequence of characters. In terms of memory usage, string objects in Java are stored as a sequence of characters. Usually, it is encoded with the UTF-16 and occupying memory based on the number of characters they contain, plus some additional overhead for metadata and object header. The memory usage of a string object can vary depending on factors such as the length of the string, the JVM implementation, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and other runtime optimizations. The string class is a part of the Java.lang package and is widely used for representing text in Java programs. So what would be happen first? First class will be loaded into the memory, and this static method will executed at the same time, and then main method is executed. This main method is executed. So in that first we are creating an object with the same class A, and here we are printing with the help of the same object. So a.c, here system.out.println, so it would be printed how much? 20 for this line. And if I want to see the second object, that is B, so with the help of B, we are printing system.out.println a.b. A is the same object which we are using again here, a.b. So accessing the value of B, that is 22. And then after that, we are using the third object which we have created. And one thing you need to keep in mind here, this object we are not using for getting outputs. I have used the same object 2 times to get the output. And this is the C object. So we are, with the help of C, we are printing C dot A. We are accessing value of A here, C here. And A is having a string. So a string will be printed on the screen. So let me draw the console. Let me draw the console. So first 20 will be printed on the console. Then 22 will be printed. Then string. One thing you need to keep in mind, that why it is printing in the next line, because we are using the println. If there would be only print function, then that would be printed in the same line. But here case is different because we have println in that. Okay, so that's all for this program. This is the final answer for this program. Okay, learn Java and be happy. Okay, learn Java and be happy.